Hi, we're Donnie and Angela from And More Art.
And I'm Adeline.
Today we're celebrating her birthday. She's going to make a masterpiece.
With fake resin gummy bears, because they're adorable. Tell me you don't love them. You'd be lying.
Stay tuned.
They're dice now.
Do we like stay tuned?
Sure.
Yeah. I'm Darth Vader now.
Alright. I'm going to mix up some resin.
I like this. Can I keep it on?
You can put it on in a minute. I just figured you'd get hot with it on the whole time.
It does get warm.
Yeah.
All the sound in this video might just be me singing random Hamilton songs.
Well, luckily, we can't really understand you.
Whoa!
Got our resin all mixed up.
You had to stir that for 3 minutes straight?
Yeah, so it's like the longest time of your life. It's the longest 3 minutes ever. I know.
I'm about to ask us off. Because I'm clumsy. Take your vote on which color's the best.
She's made for YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm made for YouTube, and my comment section will be 100.
This is Addy's first time playing with resin.
That's true.
What exactly is the bear plan here?
It's a bear's eye.
It's a bear's eye, in case you could not understand that.
Alright. Because I couldn't.
What's your plan?
That's my plan.
What do you want the underneath of your your bear's eye to look like?
Beautifulness.
Do you want heavier lines, or are you fine with these thin lines?
I'm fine with thin lines. How do I do heavier lines?
I would just pick this up and kind of pinch it and pour it.
Squiggly.
Very
Yeah,
squiggly.
so I call this worms and bears.
Worms and bears.
Yep. No, this is a telephone, and this is a little weird cord that used to be before there were actually cell phones.
There was these weird phones that used to have a cord.
Yep.
Every drop is so precise. Exactly
You
where
see
want
the
it to be,
smiley
right?
face?
Oh, yeah.
There's a smiley face now. I'm happy. Oh no. I just did a blip.
Oh no.
A blip?
It's a blip. Yes.
Blip all gone.
Angela's growing impatient. I can tell by your shift in.
She knows me too well.
I can read your body language. Your sudden change too. You might as well be yawning and going.
Should watch Angela try to watch me do this. Oof.
Oh, jeez. I have to leave the room.
It's done.
I do like
It's
these
done?
colors.
Those are really pretty
Okay.
colors. Hold on, more sparkle.
Yeah.
Rule number 1, there is never enough sparkle.
We lost the face.
Yeah. Sorry.
Face all gone.
Face says goodbye.
Bye.
I think you're a little late there, Angela. It's kind of already dead.
Well, I was just R.I.P. face.
RP. It's now a hurricane.
It's very sparkly.
Sparkly.
Never enough sparkles.
I don't want to tell you how to art, but is this one driving you crazy?
It'll be covered up by bears.
That's true.
What am I thinking?
Right.
You do you. Alright, here's our platter of bears.
Whoa!
This feels like surgery.
This is the part where you put bing, bing, bing. Just don't have the bear splat line.
Some kind of weird bear surgery.
I got you.
I got you, bro. I got you, fam. You're extra fam, so. She's related to me. Whoa.
We didn't just find her on the streets and say, hey, little girl, you want to come art with us? We might do that in the future if this video does well.
Yeah. 1K likes for her to do that.
If you'd like to see Adeline come back, or a random child,
if this gets 1K likes, random person on the street.
1K.
1K.
no. Is he not perfect?
He's not perfect, which is exactly why I chose him.
You don't have to be perfect, do you? You're great at Operation, aren't you?
Yeah, that's exactly
Next,
why I
watch
chose
us
him.
play Operation. Oh no!
Backflipping bear. Surgery successful.
Is he centered? Are we happy?
He needs to be a tad.
I agree. We're related. All right. Beartopia.
Whoa!
I like it.
It's a barricade.
Here's our finished
Hurricane bear.
product. Almost. It's not dry.
Oh.
You did awesome.
Whoa! I did art.
Thanks for watching.
We hope you enjoyed this barefoot episode. Thanks to Addy.
Drop any comments or questions below, or if you'd like to see more Addy originals, let us know.
If you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to
Boop.
that subscribe button.
Bye.
Bye.
Are we recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh. Well.
I'm making sure.
Oh no!
Oh,
Addy
Addy
down.
down.
Boom! I'm a Pokemon. A wild Adeline has appeared.
Oh yeah, if you want to see...
Right.
Wee.
Can I ruin your pattern? You do.
Okay.
How many times are we doing this?
Right.
About 30.
Okay, good to know.
Based on history...
It's a good number, right?
I go back to my Pokeball now.